Hello, trombone player friends. We're going to be going through the song Stepping Stones now. So, whenever we look at a new piece of music, the first thing we need to do is make sure we know how it's going to sound rhythmically from beginning to end. So, take a moment with me and count through these notes. Before we do, though, quick new things. This thing here, where my cursor is a what kind of rhythm? Whole note, right? How many beats are in a whole note? So, when you go to perform them, you're going to go 1. Practice that with me a couple times. Rewind the video as needed. At the end of the song, you see a what kind of rhythm where my cursor is? A half note, right? So we'll go 1, 2, 3, because a half note gets how many beats? Right. 1, 2, 3. We'll hear it for 2 beats. These longer notes sustain, so we need to treat them like sustain when we count them. All right, so pause the video now and practice counting the entire song. Now that you're back, we're going to count the whole thing with each other. Let's check your work. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That was a breath mark there. So we have to breathe between the whole note and the quarter that's next. Let's keep going right here. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Good. Did you get all those sustains correct? If so, great job. Let's try it with the backing track and make sure we know what this song is going to sound like. Okay, I'm going to hit the play button. I've turned the accompaniment down. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. If any of that was problematic for you, stop the video, rewind, do it as many times as you need to until you're perfect. Next thing we're going to look at is the pitches, and we're going to chunk this song together so we can do it in one fell swoop in small bits first. So what letter name do we have here? We have a E flat, right? And is this going to be another E flat? Yes, because accidentals carry through the measure, right? That's our rule in music. So both these will be E flats. And do you remember what position E flat is? 3, that's right. And what does it look like on the trombone? Looks about like that, depending on your trombone and the way that your mouth is playing all the notes right now. And then what's the next pitch? Have a D, that's right. E flat, D, D, E flat. How do you play D on the trombone? You remember? 4th, that's right. And 4th is going to be right about here. Ish. Okay, use your ears as you're playing to lock it in. So let's try playing 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, E flat, D, D, E flat. 1, 2, ready, go. You may have gone like this. And that would be wrongville. Wrong. We need to tongue and articulate the notes. So remember, when we go to articulate or tongue the notes, we're going to flick the roof of our mouth and say D, D. If we don't get that pop of the lips and the separation between the notes, then you're going to sound like me. It's called a glissando, and that is a special effect on trombone that we don't want more times than not. Basically, never. So make sure you're tonguing those notes all the time. If you have trouble with tonguing and you cannot make that work, stop the video and come seek help in office hours right now. Do not progress with this video. I will resend it to you. Love you, mean it. All right, let's keep going. So the next section, E flat, say the letter names with me. E flat, F, F, E flat. Good. How do you play the F? That's the new one for this song. F is going to be, you guessed it, all the way in. All the way in. So when we go to play this, it'll go E flat, F, F, E flat, with that tongue firing. Here's how it sounds. Ready, go. Make sure you get that tongue involved. Try it with me. Ready. If you got that, excellent. If you didn't, practice it a few times by yourself and then rewind the video. Check that out with me until you get it right. Don't forget about the breath mark here. Take the breath. And then what do we have here? Say the letter names with me. E flat, D, E flat, D, E flat, which is what positions? 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. That's right. Try it with me. Ready, go. If you did that with me, excellent. If you didn't, rewind the video, or let's do it one more time. 2, ready, go. Cool. Now, before we do the last section of the song, I want to piece together measure 3 through 6, because that's the big section, and it doesn't have a break. That little breath mark there is not really much of a break to get reset in your mind right. Let's try it together in one big chunk. If this is not comfortable yet, don't do it. Instead, go back and rep those 2 measures in small chunks over and over again, and then try this part with me now. I'm going to do it twice. First time, you can maybe slide along with me, or try it out loud. 2, ready, go. Okay, now let's do it one more time with you playing with me. 1, 2, ready. Did your tongue separate all the notes? Did you hit every single pitch just like I am with basically no mistakes? If so, go on with the video. If not, rewind, try it again, pause, seek help if you need it. Okay, here's the last bit of the song. Say the letter names with me. E flat, F, E flat, D, E flat, E flat, E flat. Good. And those positions will be 3, then 1, then 3, then 4, then 3, 3, 3. Good. 3, 1, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3. Try it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. I had to sneak a breath in there because I forgot to breathe. Try that with me one more time. 2, ready. Nice. Let's talk for a second about the flow of the song. If you're able to do all these small sections together, take a moment and try to play the whole thing on your own. And if you're getting it close to right, then try this next bit with me. We're going to do the entire song from beginning to end. Here we go. If you were successful in doing that entire run with me, then you're ready to record. If any of that didn't work, make a mental note and practice that before you try to record. This is a big milestone in getting through band work, being able to articulate and change notes and play lots of things in one song. If you can do this, the next bits of band are going to be a little bit easier, okay? Appreciate y'all. I think you're doing a great job. Keep me posted on if you need anything, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.